Good morning, Cindy Garrett here from Leamington GM. We're just going to cover a few tips on how you can take good care of your vehicle. Your new Chevrolet, whether a new vehicle or new to you, will last longer if you take good care of it. By maintaining a regular schedule, you'll find that your vehicle will run better, have better gas mileage, and last longer. So what are some of the things that you can do to maintain your Chevrolet? First, keep your vehicle well oiled. Oil is the lubricant that keeps all the parts moving easily and with less wear and tear. Oil gets old, so you have to regularly have it changed. Depending on how often you drive your vehicle, how many kilometers you get, the age, and how hard you drive will be all the factors in how often you can change the oil. Second, rotate and balance your tires. This is especially useful for tire life extension. By rotating the tires, different parts will wear, making them last longer. Also, by maintaining proper balance and alignment, your vehicle will drive and turn smoothly. Third, speaking of driving, drive with ease. You aren't in a race with others nearby. Neither are you being chased by the enemy spies. Gently press the gas as you start. Don't rev the engine. When braking, longer and slower is better than short and fast. Fourth, concerning your brakes, check them regularly. Your tires and brakes are two of the most important items on your vehicle. By regularly replacing your brakes, you will find that everything else is going to run much better. Fifth, replace the fluids. We talked about changing the oil earlier, but all the fluids need to be regularly checked and replaced. Many fluids like wiper fluid can be topped up as often as need be. Others, such as brake fluid, need to be replaced on a regular schedule. Lastly, visit an authorized dealership for our maintenance service. Taking your vehicle to a certified dealer will ensure that your vehicle is up to date with all the latest changes. Any questions? Come visit us at Leamington GM. Our certified technicians will make certain that your vehicle is ready for whatever comes. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.